Did you know that your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping life-giving blood throughout your body? That's why protecting your heart health is crucial, not just for today, but for your entire life. Let's dive into why heart health matters and how you can take steps to keep your ticker in top shape. Your heart is the engine that keeps you going, but it faces many challenges in our modern world. From sedentary lifestyles to processed foods, the risks to heart health are everywhere. High blood pressure, often called the silent killer, can damage your heart without you even knowing it. Cholesterol buildup in your arteries can lead to heart disease, while stress and poor sleep habits can put extra strain on your cardiovascular system. But here's the good news. You have the power to protect your heart. Let's walk through some practical tips that can make a big difference. First up, diet. Eating a heart-healthy diet doesn't mean bland meals. Think colorful, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are not just delicious. They're packed with nutrients that your heart loves. Exercise is another key player in heart health. You don't need to be a marathon runner. Even a brisk 30-minute walk, most days of the week, can significantly boost your heart health. It's about finding activities you enjoy and making them a regular part of your routine. Now, let's talk about stress management. In our fast-paced world, stress can feel unavoidable, but it's crucial to find ways to unwind, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few deep breaths throughout the day. Managing stress is vital for your heart. What if you're already doing these things but want to do more? Consider getting regular checkups with your doctor. They can help you monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and other important heart health indicators. Early detection of potential issues can make a world of difference. Remember, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to heart health. Start by incorporating one new heart-healthy habit into your routine this week. Maybe it's swapping out a sugary snack for a piece of fruit, or taking a short walk after dinner. Every step counts towards a healthier heart. By taking care of your heart today, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. Your heart works hard for you every day. Isn't it time you returned to favor? For more information on heart health and tips to keep your cardiovascular system in top shape, check out the resources in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to this heart health awareness message. Here's to keeping your heart happy and healthy for years to come.